Welcome back to a little series on crochet flowers. Today I am going to show you the yellow flower. That started with I've done a little sample, and I started with 4 chain to start and joined it into a ring, so it's quite a small ring. Then on the first round we do, I think it's 4 chain. So you carry on the round and work that into each 1 chain space, and you will come away with a flower that looks like this. I call it the yellow button flower. So you could attach that to a garment, or again drop it into somebody's card when you do a birthday present or something.